What we have here is a smartphone with Google Maps, and it's paired with the car, so it's in what Samsung calls a trusted environment. So to unlock it, I don't have to put in a pin or fingerprint or anything. But I'm lost, and so now I'm going to push this button here.
Hi Grandpa, I'll give you directions to get back home. First, unlock your phone, then push this button for 5 seconds.
Okay, so to unlock, tap the power button, swipe up, it's unlocked. Now I hold the button for 5 seconds.
Head south on Moon Circle toward Gallup Drive.
The GPS now will talk me all the way home with turn-by-turn directions. It is also, a text message has been sent to my son, who gets a text message that has both my street address and a map of where I'm at. So if I don't show up, he knows where I started from and he can find me.